Hi guys, in this lesson, I'll be solving moderate difficulty level questions of indices. Let's begin. It's written PR square power 3 upon 2. QR square root, can I write like this? QR power half. Divide by Q square PR square power minus 1. Based on rule 5, can I write P power 3 upon 2 and R power 6 upon 2, which is equivalent to 3, and then Q power 1 upon 2 and R power 1 upon 2 divided by Q square P power minus 1 and R power minus 2. Yes or no? Now let's simplify. P power 3 upon 2. When the bases are same, powers are added. If you notice, here there is R, here there is R. That means base same. So powers add only. 3 plus 1 upon 2 makes what? 7 upon 2, right? And Q power will be 1 upon 2. Did you all get till this point? Divided by Q square P minus 1 R power minus 2. Now, the powers in the denominator will come in the numerator. So it's going to become P power 3 upon 2 plus 1, Q power half minus 2, and R power 7 upon 2 plus 2. So my answer will be P power 5 upon 2, Q power minus 3 upon 2, and R power 11 upon 2. In this question, we were supposed to find A, B, C. So my value of A will be 5.2. My value of B will be minus 3 upon 2. And my value of C will be 11 upon 2. Right, guys? Now let's do the next question. It says I'm supposed to write down I'm supposed to equate this to 2 power 7 into 3 power 4. Okay, let's do that. 6 power pico, can I write like this? 2 into 3 power p, yes or no? Into 8 co, can I write 2 cube power p plus 2, yes or no? Multiply by 3 cube divided by 3 square. 9 co, I can write 3 square. 2q minus 3. Now it's going to become 2p into 3p into 2 power 3p plus 6 into 3 power q divided by 3 power 4q minus 6. Yes or no? When the bases are same, powers are added. So p plus 3p plus 6. And here it's going to become 3p plus q. And when the denominator q will come in the numerator, it will become minus 4q plus 6 is equal to, I know it's what? 2 power 7 and 3 power 4. Now, what's written with 2 on this side? 4p plus 6. And what's written with 3? It's p minus 3q plus 6 is equal to 2 power 7 into 3 power 4. Now, you need to compare these both. 2 power, it's what? 4p plus 6, and here it's 2 power 7. So can I say that 4p plus 6 is equal to 2 power 7? Can I cancel this? 4p plus 6 is equal to 7. So my value of p will be 7 minus 6 upon 4. That makes p is equal to 1 upon 4. Now I need to find the value of q. 3 p minus 3 cube plus 6 is equal to 3 power 4, right? Can I cancel 3, 3? Yes, I can. P minus 3 cube plus 6 is equal to 4. Do I know the value of P? Yes, it's 1 upon 4. So it's going to become 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to minus 3. Let's find LCM. So it's going to become minus 3q is equal to minus 9 upon 4. I can cancel minus minus easily. So q is equal to 9 upon 12. That makes 3 upon 4. Got till this point? Let's do the next question here. It's going to become p power minus 2, q power minus 2, r power minus 2 into r power 1 upon 3 divided by p power minus 2, r power minus 1 and q cube. I can cancel p power minus 2, p power minus 2 easily. And here it's going to become q power minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 divided by r power minus 1 and q power 3. Now when this q will go up, it's going to become minus 2 minus 3. And when this r will come in the numerator, it's going to become plus 1. So guys, my answer will be q power minus 5 minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 makes what? Minus 2 upon 3. And p's cancel out. That means p power 0. So my value of a is what? 0. My value of b is what? Minus 5. And my value of c is what? Minus 2 upon 3. Did you get till this point? Let's shift to the next question. Here, p power 1 upon 3, q power minus 1 upon 2, r power 3. Divide by p power minus 2 upon 3, q r power 5 whole power 1 upon 2. Square root का मतलब power half होता है, right? So now it's going to become p power 1 upon 3, q power minus half, r power 3 upon 2. Divide by p power minus 2 upon 3, q power 5 upon 2 and r power 5 upon 2. Let's shift this in the numerator. Q power minus half minus 5 upon 2. R power 3 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. So it's going to become p power 3 upon 3, that's 1. It's going to become minus 6 upon 2, that's minus 3. And here it's going to become minus 2 upon 2, that's negative 1. My value of A will be 1, B will be minus 3, and C will be minus 1. Got till this point, guys? Let's practice more. So if I see this question, it's going to become 6 power 4 x power 3 fours is 12 upon 2 and y power 16 upon 5. I can cancel this. It's going to become x power 6 divided by 2 x power half y power minus 1. Now what 6 power 4 is? It's 1296 x power 6. When the x in the denominator will come in the numerator, it's going to become minus half. Then y power 16 upon 5. The denominator y power minus 1, when it will come in the numerator, it will become plus 1. So now let's divide. 1296 divided by 2. That makes what? 648 x power 6 minus half is 11 upon 2 and y 16 upon 5 plus 1. That makes 21 upon 5. So my answer of P will be 11 upon 2 and my answer of Q will be 21 upon 5. Let's shift to the next question now. If you see this, the square root means whole power half divided by a power minus 1 upon 3 b power 3.5. So it's going to become a power 4 upon 6, that's 2 upon 3, and b power minus 2 upon 10, that's minus 1 upon 5. You're multiplying 1 upon 2 by powers. Divide by a power minus 1 upon 3 and b power 3.5. Can I shift the denominator power in the numerator? The sign will become positive, and here the sign will become negative. So it's going to become a power 3 upon 3, that's 1, and b power minus 4 upon 5. Got till this point? Let's do one last question, and then in the next lesson, I'll be solving difficult level question. X power 8, y power 10 square root. Divide by cube root x cube y minus 6. Can I write like this? X power 8, y power 10 whole power half. Divide by x cube y minus 6 power 1 upon 3. So it's going to become x 8 upon 2 makes what? 4. Y power 10 upon 2 makes what? Y power 5. Divide by x power 3 upon 3 makes 1, and y power minus 6 upon 3 makes minus 2. Now let's shift this in the numerator. So plus 1 become minus 1 and minus 2 become plus 2. It's going to become x cubed y power 7. So my value of a is 3 and my value of b is 7. Got till this point, guys?